Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to give you a beginner's guide to Jvzoo. Now this is a network I've used a lot myself in the past, so I know it's a very good network. It does pay you your commissions if you're an affiliate, so I know you can trust these guys. There is a few pointers I want to give you on making sure you get decent products on here to actually promote, because like any of these networks, it's kind of a mixed bag as far as the amount of good products there is on here. But it is a very big network. There's over 800,000 active affiliates on here, and they do sell a lot of products every single week. So we are going to jump inside. Again, if you're completely new to this, I'll leave a link to Jvzoo below, and what you need to do is come along and go off to this start for free, click on here and basically fill out your account details. Pretty much like anywhere you would fill out your account details here now. It's not that difficult to actually become a member of Jvzoo, but I will show you some things inside you need to do additional to this. So you go ahead and you register, you verify your account, you select a way to get paid. Now they have something called a Jvzoo Wallet, which is kind of an interface between your commissions. They get put into this wallet first before they get paid out to your choice of payment, whether that's PayPal, Stripe. It stays in that wallet because there is a certain amount of time after people actually sell products that they have things like guarantees, and that guarantee obviously has to run out before they give you your money, especially if you're new. You get something called a delayed commission. So guys, this is the dashboard overall. Now this is like the current week. I'm not actually promoting anything on this network at the moment, but this is where your affiliate stats will actually be displayed. Now what you need to do first is basically come up here to affiliates, and you want to start looking around left hand side here. You'll have a dashboard, you'll have some quick stats here, you have your list of approved products. These are the products you've already been approved for to actually go ahead and promote. I'll come back to that. You have some find product areas here, find contest, which is a contest that might be running for a product. Again, if you're completely new guys and you've never really heard of affiliate marketing, what I would do is I grab my free training. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. It's going to get you started and help you understand what it takes to be an affiliate marketer. But if you're completely new, this contest is every single launch, especially the big launches, have a contest for affiliates. Again, if you're new, don't worry about that to start with, but it's just worth noting that's where you would find contests in the future. You have some affiliate bonuses there. Again, I will show you in subsequent videos how you actually can use bonuses to attract people over to sell your particular products, but that's where your affiliate bonuses would be in this actual system. Then you have some transactions, then you've got a great knowledge base on here. There's a lot of help videos on here. Again, if you go up there or you go up to help, which is up here on the right hand side, you can go and find a great knowledge base with lots of different questions being answered. But what we want to do in this particular video, I want to just show you how to go ahead and find products. If you go ahead and click the find products here, you're going to come up with a list of products that are currently being sold. Now let's have a look at the launch date. Let's just go to current. That's actually old. Let's go back to current. Basically, you can see there's a little menu up here that I can actually start changing the order I see these various statistics in. And don't worry, I'll talk you through these now. So basically, a product called Fan Page Robot is being sold, and it started being sold on the 2nd of March. So what you're going to see here is you're going to see how many units have been sold, what is the conversion rate, what is the average earnings per click, and what's the average price of this particular product, and then any commissions being paid to it. So this is the commissions you would be paid as an affiliate. So let me just give you an example of a recent product that's been launched with a little bit more data behind it. So Localite AI, this bundle deal, this was launched on the 1st of March. Now, on the front end, this has sold 100 units. On the actual funnel itself, this has sold over 1,000. So the two numbers there, when you ever buy a product online, you're going to have the front end offer, which is the main offer that they're going to give you, and they've sold 100 of them. You're also going to have lots of different products in the actual funnel. Now what they're saying here is that they've sold a lot of these products that are actually in the funnel as well, which means they're having a lot more earnings per click. They're earning a lot more money because people are buying different parts of that funnel. Now again, completely new guys, when you buy a product, the OTOs are the actual funnel. People buy different OTOs depending on what they want out of that product. So there is a lot of sales being made of this. What you can see here, there's a conversion rate of nearly 10%, 14% on the whole funnel, which is really good. The average earnings per click is $28, and again on the whole funnel it's $13. Now what you see about when I talk about the average earnings per click, it doesn't mean every time somebody clicks on a link of yours you you're going to make that amount of money. Unfortunately, there's a lot to do with the quality of traffic that comes over to that click, whether they are into that kind of software, whether they want to and purchase things off you, whether you've got good bonuses. All of those factor into what the average earnings per click is. What this probably means is there's some very, very big affiliates selling a lot of this at the moment. So you need to understand that as a beginner, that it is a great product if it's got average earnings per click, because it means people are buying it, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you will get $28 every time someone clicks your link. Just be aware of that. Now, the average price of this is $297, so they are selling quite a lot on the front end. And then the commission of 50%. Now, there's a refund rate, which is here, of 0% at the moment. So basically, they're making very little refunds. As you go down here, if I scroll down, you will see some with slightly higher refund rates. This is something I'll tell you to look out for. If there's too much refund rate, don't go ahead and promote it. It looks bad on you, and it also looks bad that obviously the product isn't that good. Okay, so if I want to decide to go ahead and promote this, there's a couple of things I can do to kind of interrogate this a little bit more. Go into the local AI, just click on this, and I want to actually see this in a little bit more detail. Now, once you clicked on the link, you actually come over to this page here, which has got lots of information about the product and the vendor, so you get more of an idea of what the product's all about. The first thing you can do is come over to the product page and look at the sales page. I will talk a little bit more about sales pages in my future videos on Jvzoo and the other networks, to be honest, and show you the kind of thing to look out for. But you can have a good look at this sales page. That's the first thing you can do. Now, the next thing you can do is come over to actually look at the vendor profile. Now, this is obviously very, very key, because you want to know whether the vendor has had a good profile in the past and the kind of reviews they're getting. So what you can do here is there's certain things you can look for. You can obviously look for the name. You can look for the number of sales they've had. Now, this looks like the first product locally AI that this vendor has had, these pair of sellers. And basically, you can come down here and look at the amount of votes they have, the average product rating. So this is very new. This is kind of one of the first products, and I'll show you a different version of this when we get to a more established product. And then you can see the number of affiliate sales that they've had themselves. So this is a very new product. That's just a way that you can look at what the vendor actually looks like. Now, if you're happy with that and you want to come across and request to actually promote this, I will give you a kind of few tips. What you need to do as a complete newbie is put as much detail in here as you can about why you want to promote the product, how you're going to promote the product. Are you going to use social media traffic? Are you going to use blogging? Are you going to use YouTube? If you've got channels, put them in here. You need to put as much detail as you can. Now, when a product's first releasing, you may have an issue getting permission to promote the brand new product. So as a newbie, as a beginner, you need to start off with more evergreen products, build up kind of a sales track record, and then whenever a product gets released, you can go ahead and promote it. It's never an issue, right? But at first, it may be. But whatever you do as far as requesting permission, always try and put a little bit of a bio together to actually paste in here to show a vendor that you're actually serious. Once you go ahead and you want to actually approve this, you go and hit these various boxes here, and then just request approval, and I'll actually show you what you get once you request that approval. So basically, guys, this is the main page that you'll need to actually get approval for those products. Let's go back and I'll show you how to find kind of more established products that have been on the network for a while. So the first thing you can do is come over here and let's go ahead and look at the numbers sold first. This is a good way that you can go and see what's the best-selling products being on here. So these are the best-selling products on here. You can see 29,000 front-end sales, 53,000 across the whole funnel. Really, really good average price, $29. Our earnings per click around $3, around $7 across the whole funnel. Pretty good product this is, and the refund rate is very low. Think about 53,500 total sales, and they've only had 4% refund rate, which is pretty good, right? So you can go along and do the same kind of analysis of this one. If you click on it, go over to the product page here, look through Easy Sketch Pro, what's it all about, what kind of things does it give you. Then you can come back and look at the actual vendor profile. Look at the vendor profile, have a look. Not so great on the old vendor profile there. Number of sales 71,500. I probably wouldn't go for this, to be honest. That vendor profile is very low. Although You know, having said that, guys, it's had 36 votes. So really, I would have a look at this myself and figure out whether I thought it was a good product. And then basically you can go ahead and request approval. Now, if you really want to see if these products are any good, there is a number of ways that you can do it. The easiest way is to go ahead and purchase the product. And if you purchase the product, if you have a nice vendor score and you like the look of the product page, if you purchase it, then you'll have a really good idea of whether that product's any good and whether you want to actually promote it to others. If a product is reasonably new, you can come over to a site called Muncheye and actually get review access of a lot of products. So I just come and show you Muncheye. I have a different video on Muncheye that I'll actually put on the right hand side of the screen now for you to click on, or you'll see the link in the description below. But basically you can have review access to a lot of courses or products on this particular network. Not all of them, but some of them will give you review access if they're kind of new and you want to go ahead and have a little bit more of an idea of what the product's all about. Go and watch that video because all of the details for that are in that actual video. So another way you can actually find more information about the products is you can come in to your dashboard where you got your approved products. So this is only obviously when you had those links have been approved by the vendor, and you can just come and have a look at some of the details within that product itself. So if you look at this one here, the first thing you'll see is my affiliate link has been added here, so that box has disappeared, and I can come and actually use that at any time now and promote that link, and if anybody goes through that link and buys this product, I'll get a commission. The other thing you can do, if you look under here, additional affiliate information, there is usually an affiliate JV page. So I can come in and actually get some additional resources to promote this particular product. Now you can see this is a slightly older product by Paul Puna, and this is the JV page that he released at the time. And there's usually some great information and resources on these types of products that allow you to get more information and allows you to promote it in a really, really beneficial way to your audience. So you can have all sorts of information about what the funnel looks like. Here's the funnel information here. So the front end here is $47 to $67 and so on. All of that information is on here, and you just take a read through this, and there may be access to the product as well, depending what product it is. So you'll see there's a lot of resource on here that you as a beginner can have a look at. So guys, I hope you find that valuable. What I suggest you do is come over to Jvzoo, start your free account, get into that dashboard and start looking around the products and find the different types of products on here that you can go ahead and promote. In my next video, I'm going to show you a little bit more about the dashboard and the way that you can find different types of products within this particular dashboard. And I'm also going to show you some free traffic methods that you can use to actually promote Jvzoo products online. Again, if you found this valuable, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And if you're serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, I got some great training for you. You'll see the link in the description below. Over to the School of Nomads and I'll get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.